Hello everyone, welcome to Fight Radio for the latest combat sport news and update. Let's begin with UFC 302. Another exciting fight card has added for UFC 302. Khabib Holland is returning to the action on short notice. He will face Mikhail Oleksiejczuk. Derrick Lewis keep adding another knockout record to his tally as the king of knockout. On Saturday night, he knocked out Rodrigo Nascimento in the round number 3 at UFC St. Louis. He is so much fun to watch. He expressed his desire to join WWE during the press conference, and UFC boss Dana White gave him green signal that he can do WWE and UFC together at the same time.
We were talking to Derrick Lewis this week, and he had mentioned that he might have been in talks with WWE as well, just to check them out. In the past, there'd been some wrestlers like Bobby Lashley and Jake Hager that went back and forth between wrestling and fighting in MMA.
Yeah.
Do you think there's a possibility for like some UFC guys to go to like a pay-per-view and make appearances or compete or anything like that?
Well, I didn't know that, but yeah, I would do anything for Derrick Lewis. I really like Derrick Lewis a lot. So, and listen, some of the fighters who fight here, you know, have always dreamed about doing a WWE match or whatever it is, and yeah, I don't have a problem with that.
Talking about Derrick Lewis and WWE, he actually flashed his bear bomb to the audience at St. Louis after he knocked out Rodrigo Nascimento. Never happened before in the UFC.
Fans absolutely love him. Oh my goodness.
UFC CEO Dana White confirms that UFC 303, headlining by Conor McGregor and Michael Chandler, has already surpassed 20 million gate, making it highest gate in UFC history. You might be curious which combat sport generated the highest earning. For your information, let me tell you, it is Floyd Mayweather versus Manny Pacquiao at MGM Grand Garden Arena, which generated 72 million gate in 2015. But McGregor is huge star who print money. Coming at by number 2, Floyd Mayweather versus Conor McGregor at T-Mobile Arena, which generated 55 million get in 2017.
As well, I wanted to say congratulations on what I assume will be the UFC's first $20 million gate with Conor's return. Is that true? Is it going to break 20 million?
Yeah, it's already way over 20 million.
Yeah. Is it a bit more satisfying? Because I remember there was another promoter in Espinoza who said the UFC's never done a $20 million gate. So is it fun to...
Who gives a flying Espinoza? Thanks. Pardon my language, ma'am. Where is Espinoza? Sorry. Where is Espinoza?
UFC legend Khabib Nurmagomedov is at the center of the potential scandal as he has reportedly evaded tax in Russia. The Russian government has blocked Khabib Nurmagomedov's bank account belonging to his Eagle FC promotion as well as his charity fund. According to the mass media reports, Khabib is in $3 million debt with Russian tax authorities. It is reported that Khabib has failed to pay tax totaling more than 300 million rubles, which is around 3 million US dollar. The Federal Tax Service eventually launches an investigation on Khabib and uncover irregularities. According to the reports, Russian authorities suspected that Nurmagomedov may have used the money he allegedly didn't pay to the Russian state to purchase the hotel and startup in Turkey and UAE. Possible punishment include prison up to 3 years for a crime committed by individual and the prison for a period up to 6 years for official of legal entities. According to the mass, Khabib taxes issue escalate when he transfer ownership of some companies to relatives and close associates.